everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your GitHub profile link. Want to share your GitHub profile with others? In this video, I'll show you how to find your GitHub profile link in seconds and then share it. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open GitHub, and to do that, just open your web browser and then type in the search bar github.com. Click on it. Now once the website appears, use your account's credentials to log in. Now after logging in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard, as you can see on the screen. The second step is to access your profile, and to do that, just click on your profile picture in the top right corner. As you can see, this is the one. You want to click on it, and then click on your profile here from the drop down menu. Now from here, the third step is to copy the profile link. Now your profile URL will look like https double slash, let's see here, let's look for it. Now click on edit, let's look for the link. Now it is, as you can see, this is your profile URL, as you can see here. Now it's usually preceded by HTTPS, but it doesn't appear as it's an automated thing. Now copy it, click on right click on it, and then click on copy, and copy it and share it with others, just like that. You can add your GitHub link to your resume, LinkedIn or website, and use bit.ly to shorten your GitHub profile link for easy sharing. You can also customize your profile readme to make your GitHub look more professional. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you find and share your GitHub profile link in just a few simple clicks. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.